afternoon, everyone. We are in the success story session, and I'm audible, right?
Yes,
Aradhya, can
yes,
you
sir.
please
Yes,
confirm?
sir.
Thank you so much. So we're into the success story session, and we are having Aradhya with us. Aradhya, welcome to the session.
Thanks.
So it's great that you've been here. And can we have like a quick introduction about yourself, the audience?
Yes, sir. My audio is okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, your voice is okay.
Yes, sir. My name is Aradhya is Pradeep, and I completed my BTech in computer science. And after that, I joined DataMites doing this data science and artificial intelligence course. And throughout the journey, I have attended the training classes offline. And after that, the internship period, I have done several projects, including the capstone and the client project. I do that data science project along with my AI classes. And after that, I have attended the mock interview, and from after that onwards, I got some opportunities, and I applied for them, and I got placed in Digitus as the AI ML engineers.
Okay, that's great. That's great to know about it. All right. So you said you're a pass. You recently passed.
2024 pass out.
You recently passed out only. So in what stream you are actually have your graduation of?
Computer science, sir.
Computer science itself. So you might be having like a prior understanding of codings and everything, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you're comfortable in what? Java, Python, C, C++.
The Python classes I felt it easy because I am already from the computer science, so I have the basic understanding. But attending the Python classes, I get to know different areas of Python, and I looked at DataMites training as the reference, and I also referred different sources externally, sir.
Okay. So of course it is obvious that the Python will be much more. So do you have like prior understanding of statistics and mathematics? Because since you're done with the AI, right?
Yes, sir.
So you must be knowing that it like, requires a bit of mathematics skill intuition as well.
Yes,
So
sir. I am actually interested in the mathematical area. So I find the AI classes. You are the trainer for the deep learning classes. So you take
mhm.
it from very beginning. The equations, derivations are all I felt very interesting.
Yeah, that's what I said that it all goes from because it's a base, right? Mathematics base.
Yes, that's the basic thing.
And from there we apply all the Python programming skills on top of it. All right. So where actually you have got placed right now?
In what position?
Yeah.
Yes, AI and ML engineers.
Okay. In which company?
Digitus Business Solutions.
Digitus Business Solutions. All right. Um, so you were taken as a fresher, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of questions they asked?
During the first round, it was a written test, contained sections like aptitude, Python, SQL, machine learning basics. After that, they have conducted a technical written coding test. In that, they have asked from the data frames to pre-processing steps, model building, hyperparameter tuning, evaluation, up to deployment, the complete machine learning workflow they have asked. We have to write the question, code answers. After
Mm-hmm.
that, there was a technical virtual assessment. In that, they have
Mm-hmm.
asked the questions from the resume. From all the projects I have been mentioned in the resume, they have asked from that. And different machine learning algorithms like random forest, the bagging and boosting concepts,
Mm-hmm.
hyperparameter tunings, which are the hyperparameters I have used in the models, and that and all. In the final interview they actually asked how these models can be used in the real world scenarios, their use cases, kinds of things.
Okay. So it's like the end-to-end machine learning
Yes,
life
complete
cycle
the
complete.
complete things they have asked.
I think to be very honest, I'm taking the first success story where I asked what kind of question, and they're asking like complete end-to-end because you said initially they took Python, statistics, machine learning, all the basic stuff, and
Yes,
around to
they
they
have
moved to
covered the complete area.
They covered the complete area. All right. If okay, can you let me know what kind of questions were asked? Like say basics. When you say basics of machine learning, what
Uh,
questions they asked?
in the Python.
In the Python, in machine learning, and whatever.
In Python, they have the coding questions like for loops kinds of things. And machine learning, the feature engineering, like scaling, one hot encoder, label encoder, scaling, min-max scaling, standard
You said
scaler.
it.
That all codings we have to write.
All right. So they literally went from the each and
Literally,
every
what
task
we
of
have been
pre-processing.
yes,
Hmm.
what we have been really doing in that project, all they have tested
Okay.
there.
So they tested literally like all the parts of feature
Yes,
engineering
sir.
or the techniques of feature engineering.
Yes.
Oh, that is good. I have one more question. How did you prepare for the interview? Means, of course, the questions are not apparent. You don't know from which area they are going to ask.
Yes.
So, what basically goes in your mind when you are actually preparing for the interview?
During the mock interviews, I have referred the LMS recordings. I have seen it several times. In my way of learning is like I prepare my own handwritten notes. I need that to prepare for every interview. So I written my own notes for every section, even if it is Python, statistics, ML, deep learning concepts, computer vision, natural language process, everything. I write my own notes and I refer that only. Uh, Before 2 3 days before the interview days. And I also seen some YouTube channels like IBM Technologies channel. They have also uploaded latest things like Gen I concepts of that. And Datamites also recently scheduled some Gen AI concepts that also helped me in the interview.
Yeah, that's great. I was about to ask this question, but it has eventually organically come from Rajkumar from the YouTube itself. How many rounds were there, and even deployment question, and what was the package they offered?
There were 4 rounds, and in the
Hmm.
second round, I think they have asked to write the deployment answers. Like if we know about like PySpark and all, it will be good.
Okay, so
Uh,
they were in the deployment section. They were focusing on.
they were not really focusing on that, but if we know that is a plus point.
Oh, that was a plus point. Okay,
Yes,
good. And how much did they offer you?
like 4 to 4.5.
Oh, that's good. As a fresher, this is
Yes,
a good starting. And eventually, so your exact role is AI or junior
A-
AI?
AIML engineer.
AI/ML engineer. That is a very common role which is going on. So really want you to be, why they are questioning with the deployment because they are taking you as an ML engineer. So if you're
Um,
an ML engineer, you have to be versed with the deployment because
yes.
production is something which you cannot mess with. So they want to check if you're okay with the deployment or not. Oh,
Yes.
that's great. I have one more question. Um, you know, Python and SQL, which do you think which is more important for a data scientist?
I think Python's SQL is also important, but we need the basic understanding of Python to be work on the libraries, all kinds of libraries also, NumPy, Panda, everything we should be very familiar with. SQL is
Hmm.
also very important. They have asked SQL questions also, but I think they give more preference to Python.
Did they ask any question related to MongoDB or NoSQL databases?
No, no, they didn't ask. Only SQL questions.
Only a skill question has been asked. So, all right, they really wanted to work with structured data and sort of things. But eventually, we have to move to because you know how the world is changing. It's changing
Yes.
very very fast. So we have to be versed with working with structured data as well. Um, all right. I have one more question over here. I I just took the class and the coach questioned me again that it is being told that within the next it started, but it has been told that within the next year you don't really require to have coding.
Yes.
How have your opinion on this? I have my own. I want to know yours.
I also think like sir, there is no need for coding and all. And I think the companies are not really looking if we are really writing the exact code. They are just checking we know the logical kinds of things. For that they are doing the Python coding things, not to check the exact syntax kind of thing, just to check our logical thinking. I think we should more focus on the Gen AI part, because if we have that knowledge, in every interview in the last section they will ask. Of course, for the AI and ML part, they will ask something about Gen AI. So we need to know about ChatGPT models. If we don't know any depth knowledge, but if we have a basic understanding, that's very plus point.
Yeah, that is absolutely correct, and kind of same answer also is of mine, that it shouldn't be absolutely no understanding. You should
Yes.
understand it how exactly it is behaving, because you said right that nobody is caring about the syntaxes, but they try to understand logic. This is not a new part of interview.
Yes.
Even if you go back 5 years back, when I used to give my interviews, I had the same thing. They just want to check, hey, what kind of logic you apply, what kind of steps you apply. Syntax nobody checks. If your logic is correct, then so even in order to apply logic, you should know, right? You
Yes.
cannot apply logic without knowing. And
Yes.
we are having like a co-pilot or something like that. We write something and piece of code comes. That's okay, but code-based understanding is something which is very very important as well. All right, Aradhya. So right now you have been. This is your first job.
Yes, this is my first job.
First job. That's absolutely wonderful, and good package also. Yeah, got. All right. If I ask you, where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I think in the same field only, I want to focus more on the generative AI only, and maybe I can lead any teams or projects in the next 5 years.
Your vision is quite clear. You wanted to become a team lead who can
Yes, sir.
guide a group of data scientists and AI engineer. So that's what exactly it is, and this is a good thing. All right, great. Do we have any? We have some question. I think you have to write the code for one. So, do you have to write the code for one hot encoder there in the, because
Yes.
the question has come up. All right.
Yes, for me, the company's second round was actually the return coding test we have to write, but
Okay.
it's not same with every company. Sometimes we
Hmm.
don't have to write the exact codes. Maybe we have to do it in the system, or it depends on the companies. For me, it was a return
Yeah.
test.
It depends. Even some companies want you to write code, no? So I mean to say that when you say writing the code for one hot encoder, it does not require ChatGPT. If you know how it works, you can simply take an object and
Yes,
fit
we
transform.
can
It works.
write the pseudocode also, not the exact code, just the flow of that code. From that, they can know we
All
know
right.
the actual understanding of that.
What AI questions were asked? People want to know exact question. If you can
Like
tell.
LLMs, RAG concepts,
Oh,
ChatGPT models, how the generation happens, transformers,
so it's all about
all.
the generative
Yes,
generative AI and
yes,
uh, large language models.
yes. Large language models, it's very important, sir.
Large language, yeah, of course, it is important. Agentic AI, you'll see the upcoming is Model Context Protocol (MCP). Everyone wants to make
Yes,
their own MCP
yes,
servers,
yes.
and so we are moving very fast, and the style and the kind of questions that is used to being asked is also getting changed. And trust me, after 6 months or 1 year, these things will not be asked. Something else is going to be asked.
Yes,
I have
sir.
seen this trend for the last three to 4 years. It is happening. That's great. That's great talking with you, Aradhya. Team, do we have any questions? All right. If you don't have a question, let me ask. I have few questions in my mind. How did you make your resume?
I already have a resume, but the PAT team really helped me to structure it more better. They have suggested me some improvements, and I have done it. The resume building is an important part, because uh, that's the key point. If we need to be shortlisted for getting all these interviews, and after shortlisting also, by while attending the interview, they particularly ask from the things that we have been given in the resume. Like if we
Okay.
do not know that project, we should not include that in the resume.
So
That is
that is
the, like for me, they have asked each and every things I have written in that resume for my interview.
mm,
So the resume building is very important, and the part team will help us for sure.
okay. That's good. So in the resume, did you put the capstone and client project that you have made in DataMites, or did you put something else as well?
No, I have put the capstone projects and the client projects I have done in the Datamites, and
Did you do anything? Yeah.
I also done one NLP related project also.
Mm.
That's I done externally for my own.
So did you put that in?
Yes, I put that in the resume.
All right. Apart from DataMites, I want you to suggest people about different sources because we don't mind. The information should come from all the related sources. What are your references in terms of study materials and everything?
I think in the YouTube channel there is a IBM YouTube channel, IBM Technologies. They
Mm,
put the recent things. I think I have seen most of their videos, and it helped me very much for the last
okay.
interview. We get a
Hmm.
clearer understanding. I think the Datamites LMS recordings, we should take that as a reference. For me, I have seen it several times and make different notes from that. That helped me a lot. Then I also seen the like YouTube videos.
Yeah, that helps. That absolutely helps. Rajkumar has again the question that did they ask deployment in AWS?
No, they didn't particularly ask about AWS.
They didn't particularly ask for the AWS. Yeah, you only said that was an optional that
Yes.
they wanted to
If
check.
we know, it's better.
It's better. Yeah, of course. This helps you out to be stay away from the crowd.
Yes.
Yeah, that's correct. All right. So that was really a great conversation with you, Aradhya. And
Thanks.
first, let me know if we are having more questions. Team, do we have more questions?
What's up?
And I'm asking the team if we have more questions from any of the participants. No questions. All right. So that's great being a part of this show, Aradhya. I hope
Yeah.
we can meet sometimes, of course, somewhere in the LinkedIn or
Yes,
no,
sir.
we don't never know at what point of time and in which place. But
Thank you
I
for your
really,
time,
really,
sir.
yeah, I
Thank you for
really
the
hope.
entire Datamites team, the part sections, the coordinators, trainers, they all helped me, sir.
All right, great to know about it, and I really wish a very happy future for you
Thank
ahead.
you,
And
sir.
I wish whatever you have wished for, especially you told me your vision that after 5 years where you want to see yourself, you
Yes,
be
sir.
there itself.
Thank
All
you,
right,
sir.
Aradhya, all right, team, and all right, everyone. We will have we will meet in the next success story for sure.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.